Hi Dresser Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Sonny Angel. So let's get started. To draw this super sweet angel boy, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And now that we have this circle in, I'm going to work on this eye first. And I'm going to put a highlight right here. So another circle. And then shade everything else in. I was definitely tempted to make them draw so cute eyes, but I felt the eyes on this angel boy was very important. This kind of makes the whole look. So I'm keeping it as the original. So now that we have this big eye in, I'm going to come right here and just put a curve over the eye. So just kind of following this curve, I'm going to come down with a curve. Putting a curve right over the eye, just make it nice and smooth. Then from there on the sides right here, let's put in 3 lashes. So 3 curves right there. From there, we need to draw the other eye. So I'm going to come right across nice and wide. So say about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another circle. And then from there, another highlight right here and shade it all in. Okay, and then from there, once again, same thing. We're just going to draw a curve right about here. So it makes the boy look like he's looking that way, right? There. And then the lashes go on this side. I was going to put them over here. I should have made sure, but I believe they're on this side, of course. So there. Now we have 3 lashes there. And then from there, let's draw the sweet smile. So right in between the eyes, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. There, so sweet. And then from there, let's go ahead, we need to draw the face. So I'll say about right at the top of the eye, I'm going to come out really close to these lashes. I'll give myself a point. The same thing here. Then from there, we're going to come down with a curve to a sharp point. So I'm going to start about right here. I'm going to go around the eye. Same thing here. Go around the eye. And then, let's see here. Let's find our center. And I'm going to say about right here. I'll give myself a point. Just kind of imagine how low I want it to go. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. And definitely turn your body or the paper, but I'm going to bring it to the sharp point right there. So same thing here. Curve. And bring it to a point for the chin. Okay, finally done. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this up. So we're going to go around and around, and let's say about here, this high, and I'm going to bring it in. So this angel boy wears a hat, so I'm going to round this part off to create the opening. There. And then before I forget, I need to draw a little curve about right here in the top and here as well. Small little curve right at the top. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to finish up the hat. So I'm going to come right about here. We're just going to taper and go up. And same thing here. Just taper it nice and smooth and go up. So as we go up, we're going to go nice and high. So let's say about right here, I'm going to find my center again. I'll just give myself a point right here. Just kind of imagining how far up I want to go. And about right there, and bring it down on the other side. So it's wrapped around the head. Then from there, let's draw some details on this one. I'm basically basing this one on the candy store series. So if you want to draw that one, right here is a bunny nose. So I'm going to come right about, well, actually no, let's come right here in the center. About right here, I'm going to draw a little line and then draw a little bunny nose right about there, and then go up about here, and I'm going to draw a curve coming down, and then we're going to wrap it around. So same thing here, wrap it around. There. And then the eyes of our bunny, so bringing them about right here. Just draw a little circle, put in a little highlight and shade it in. Same thing here. There. So for a little bunny. And then the ears. So this is our center. We just kind of want to make sure, like say, let's say on this side, we'll work on this one first. 2 ears, so let's go up on this side. This being our center, we're not going to pass it. So about right there, we're going to go up nice and high, round it off, and bring it down. There. And then to draw the inside, let's go ahead and about right here, a little bit thicker here, and then it's going to taper in and back. And then the other ear, about here, same thing, just like the other side, but this one's going to fold in. So close to the center once again, and about right there, I'm going to bring it down, fold it over, and then let's see here, round off the tip, bring it in to about right there, and then we're going to bring it in just like the other side. And then about right here, go ahead and just draw it in, and then the other side, so about right here. There. If you're not comfortable drawing this fold, you can just draw like this one on the other side. Draw that curve right there. Okay, so we're done with the hat. Then from there, let's draw the cute little body. So we're gonna just gonna skip a little bit space, about right here and here. I give myself 2 points, and then from there, I'm going to draw a slight angle line coming down. So it's gonna flare out a little bit. Let's bring it down a little bit more. And now that we're pretty level, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So if you're familiar with all these Sonny Angels, he's kind of not wearing anything, right? I guess that's what makes it special. But today on Draw So Cute, we're going to give him some pants. So let's come about right here, and we're going to pop out his shorts. So this is based on the Candy series one where he's wearing shorts. So, and then let's come about right here in the center. Just give myself a little curve, and then we're going to continue our shorts. Bringing the curve, let's bring this down to about right there and connect. And same thing here. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw his feet. So I'm going to bring them out, bring them down, and then just curve towards the center. So same thing here. Down and then curve towards the center, come in. Then about right here, we're going to go down. Just going to round off and then come in to draw cute little feet. And then you come right here and we draw 2 little lines, 3 lines actually, and then same thing on this side. There, and once again, the little toes. And then from there, let's draw the arms. So I'm going to come right here, pop in these shoulders and come down. Same thing here, shoulders and down. And then let's draw the arms. I'm going to have them nice and simple. I'm going to bring them down. And then right about here, sticking them up. And let's see here, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a thumb. And then the fingers. So we'll flare them out and back in. And then draw a little one right in the back. So same thing over here. Let's follow the other one. So about right here is the other thumb. And little thumb. And then once again, fingers, flare it up and in. And then a tiny little one on the back. There. Okay, and then if you like, we can draw some details on the pants. I thought it'd be kind of nice to draw a little detail. So about right here, just gonna lightly draw a curve going up and then just giving it some creases right here. And last but not least, I need to put a heart somewhere, so I will put it, oh, let's put it right here on the legs. There, to make this my Draw So Cute Sonny Angel, inspired by the Candy Store series. I really hope you love how this little angel boy turned out, and I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.